Burco is the aftermarket leader in providing quality products and solutions for broken side view mirrors. The following video equips you with easy-to-use instructions for installing your Burco replacement mirror. Burco's Redi-Set-Go mirror replacements are an ideal choice if your backing plate is broken or missing. Redi-Set-Go mirror replacements eliminate the need to remove broken glass, making for a quick and easy install. Reference the install code on your Redi-Set-Go box. Replacing a damaged side view mirror can be performed in 5 easy steps using Burco Redi-Set-Go replacement mirrors. Redi-Set-Go mirror replacements are complete with a pre-applied motor mount. The backing plate shown in this installation may not be an exact match to yours. However, the installation techniques are the same. You will need these tools to install your Burco mirror replacement. Please follow industry-accepted recommendations for personal safety. Insert the screwdriver or putty knife below the mirror and carefully slide tab locks off the tab lock guides by lifting and prying upward. Do not pry outward. This could damage the tab lock guides. If the original mirror is a heated mirror, disconnect wires from the mirror's heating element. If applicable, auto-dimming wires may have to be disconnected or clipped and capped. Burco mirror replacements do not auto-dim. Visually inspect your mirror assembly for damaged or missing pieces. The actuator plate with the tab lock guides must be intact and undamaged for proper installation. If applicable, reconnect heating wires to the mirror's terminal leads. Test functionalities before proceeding to the next step. Vertically align the Redi-Set-Go mirror replacement toward the top of the mirror head. Apply gentle downward pressure and slide the tab locks onto the tab lock guides. Increase pressure gradually until the tab locks snap onto the tab lock guides. If you need more clearance, pivot the motor head downward. Clean the Redi-Set-Go mirror replacement with glass cleaner. For additional information, visit burcoinc.com.